How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can back up and restore game saves using the GameSave Manager. Now, the first thing that we have to do is to actually make a backup. To do that, click the Make a Backup button, and then you want to choose the game that you want your save to be backed up. In my case, I'm going to be selecting something like the Assetto Corsa. Now, basically, you could also select all of your games by clicking on this checkbox right here that will simply select all of the available save files or games on your device. Simply from there, you want to click on this icon, which will then initiate the backup process. And of course, you just want to navigate through the file where you want to save your backup save files. So I'm going to be saving it inside Documents, and then I'm going to type backup, click OK, and then it will now back up our selected games. Right now, since I've only selected one, it's really quick. So let's click on OK. And then basically right after, we should be good to go. So let's navigate back to the main menu, and now to restore or to basically get your old save files, you want to click on the Open Archive. Navigate through the file where you have saved your previous backup files. So once again, in my case, it's going to be inside Documents, Backups, and then it's going to be inside this page right here. Now, if it's not showing up like in my case, you just want to simply double check whether your file is inside. And so if that's the case, you've probably saved it somewhere. So you could just go ahead and basically retry the process. But in my case, I've double checked this time. I have the GSPA file onto my backup folder. So to restore your save file, just click on the Open button. And then basically, let's go ahead and run the process. And now it will restore our specific save file. So that's how easy it is to do. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.